Ah, okay.
Dynamic vibration Dolby Atmos.
Dolby Atmos something D.
No mini jack out, just a USB-C.
Able to go to. Yeah, so that's what.
So this is the model there, and this is the
Xperia 1.
and where you have two setups,
Just to compare the
conventional and the Xperia 1.
just to compare the one versus the XZ2.
So what's special about this application?
I will show you.
The white is the white.
This is the first time there is in IAF on the smartphone, so you can see that he's tracking his eyes, her eyes. Sorry.
Yeah, tracking eye.
Yeah,
Like
and
the-
here he's
yes.
dragging face. Only.
Losing,
Yeah.
the face.
Yeah, and we will take some picture. You see when up she's moving to the light.
Tracking the eye all the
Yeah,
time.
and when you up look at the photo,
Magnify the photo.
you see in the low condition the face is darker than here.
The same feature is in the alpha cameras of Sony.
Yeah.
The new ones, you know, the same eye tracking.
The same eye tracking, yeah, as the Alpha Mark
Alpha
III.
6 400.
Yeah,
The new one.
yeah. And when you go to the last picture,
Yes, yes.
So the cameras here are three cameras. Has
Three
what kind of
cameras,
cameras
yes.
are these? One is wide. The other.
there
Explain the
here
camera.
the 26 millimeter,
6mm,
26. Here the 52 millimeter,
52mm.
yeah.
This one. Yeah.
Still with AF tracking, and a 16 millimeter.
This one 16mm. Does it has any optical zoom or
There in
or
the
macro?
in this. I'm not sure. Really, I'm not sure. I will ask.
No, well, you can see it from here.
Yeah. Yeah, there is a optical zoom.
Times 2.
Yeah.
Times 2. And for video, the maximum is 4K, eh?
Yeah, the maximum is 4K. For the video part, you can see
Yeah, I know.
my colleague.
The mode, press mode there. What is the mode?
The mode
Mode here.
is the automatic mode.
Automatic what?
Yeah, automatic mode photo. Look.
Yeah, this one is panorama, manual, slow motion, and all these new features.
No, it's the same as the old model.
Nice. Xperia 1, number 1. Has 3 cameras, 2 flashes, USB-C, no mini jack output. This is LDAC, LDAC for Bluetooth, LDAC.
Yeah, it's LDAC
Yeah.
and high res.
It's
It's internal.
internal.
This is just for.
This is analog here.
no,
It's analog there.
yeah, it's just for the headphones and for the charging, the adapter.
Maybe.
So the converter is internal.
That's it. Dolby Vision. Oh, no, Atmos.
いやでもこれね、
For the
映画しかチェックしかできない。外れない。
Sony has its own technology. It's reality audio. Why you are promoting Dolby Atmos?
It's a good experience for cinema.
For cinema listening to the movies. Very
Because
right.
our experience is more for music, and the Dolby Atmos is more for cinema experience.
It's very nice on your hands.